They explain to each and every one in business circles, in Paris, Catholic Paris circles, in home circles, and of course, religious circles. They explain to them this is what the devil, SAMPOGNAROs, and wolf families have done. And they tell them you're going to see consequences for them being in the way of your livelihoods. Help be a part of that. Pocket dock them everywhere they go and find out why. Jerry Wolf and Chad Great Poupon Wolf of Homeland Security last administration was being such a devil during their time as that devil. Welcome, devil occupations and devil whatever they might be in.